आंगनबाड़ी कार्यकर्ताओं को सक्षम बनाया जाएगा। वहीं प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामीण और शहरी आवास योजना के तहत 80 लाख मकान बनाए जाएंगे।
Recognizing the importance of Nari Shakti as a harbinger of our bright future and for women-led development, during the Amritkal, our government has comprehensively revamped the schemes of the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Accordingly, 3 schemes, namely Mission Shakti, Mission Vatsalya, Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 were launched recently to provide integrated benefits to women and children. Saksham Anganwadis are a new generation Anganwadis that have better infrastructure and audio-visual aids.
इधर प्रदेश